Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the today market update for January 26, 2021. The overall trend is still bullish. As you look at here, the E-mini SP 500 after hour and during the day here, the market go nowhere. They just go round up and down. So at this moment, as long as they're not going down, they still stay above the moving average. So the bull is still there. So we'll stick with the uptrend. The Nasdaq is also very strong. It still continue to put it high here. And the Russell 2000 a little bit weaker today. They go sideways, but they still hang on in there. So no sign of problem yet. And the Dow is also sideways, but it's weaker compared to the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. So that the two main sector there, it still have a lot of momentum to the upside. And this week, if you look at a couple of sectors that we mentioned on the weekly market forecast, the sector like housing, builder, is still doing very well. As you can see here, this is the wrong one, XLRE. Okay, so this one here after breakout, they continue to put it to the upside, and a lot of stock in this sector doing very well, like Toll Brother, the one we highlight for you last week, and KHB, that's another KB Home, the KBS. I'm sorry, KBS. Okay, that's another stock very strong. Okay, the last couple of days they shoot up to the top right now, and also another sector that we mentioned this week is that the biotech sector, they're also doing pretty well, but they're a little bit extended right now. But a lot of stock in this sector have been doing extremely well, like Gillette, right? AMGN, Amgen. Okay, last couple of days they keep going straight up, and today it Johnson Johnson, one of the 8 stocks that I analyze for you on the weekend. So the first one is they are now earning. That one is they go straight up here right into the top with people that taking profit right at the resistance line. Okay, and that's the first one they're now earning. And after hour, I think at Microsoft also now earning. They already shoot it up also. And another sector on electric vehicle, clean energy, we highlight for you on the weekend. This one here is also doing extremely well, as you can see here, FCEL. Okay, so this one they shoot it straight up. Okay, for last couple of days here, and another one that BLUG. This one that we highlight for you guys in it down below here. Now they go straight up and continue to go to the upside again. Okay, so let's see. Tomorrow we will have more earning on a bunch of big cap stock. Let's see how they come up with. So if you are in our live trading room today, the market a little bit choppy, but we still be able to manage to take some 10 point down, couple point up. Okay, another 10 point down, and then the market that get into the sell zone, they bow back up, and then they slam it down again. So I take a quick trade here also after the trading. So make the profit for today at $1,862 for a short-term income. So overall trend is still choppy sideways, but it go nowhere. But as long as they can stay, sideways, and then they will find a way to put it back up. So I will update for you during the week. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart, how to use the modern technical analysis to analyze the chart, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Again, thank you for watching, and then we'll see you in the next video.